This is archival footage from our very first month, right after we bought the house in the country and moved away from the city. The house had stood empty for a few years, so the first thing I did was give the inside a deep clean. Meanwhile, my husband was outside, getting the yard and the property in order. Once the cleaning was done, I started getting ready for the winter ahead. I grew up in a big family myself, one of 4 kids. I remember how every summer we'd go out to the meadows to pick wild strawberries and herbs. It's one of my fondest childhood memories. We loved to gather St. John's wort, oregano, and linden blossom, even though it doesn't bloom for very long, unfortunately. That year, I also decided to try drying fireweed, but to be honest, simply drying it wasn't as tasty as fermenting it. In these shots, our daughter Zabava is only 6 months old. She was born in the city, but we decided almost immediately that we wanted her to spend her early years living close to nature. That was actually one of the main reasons we moved. You can also see my younger sister here. She came to help me out. Wild strawberries are tiny, but way more fragrant than garden ones. They're delicious raw, just as they are, but usually we made jam out of them, so we'd have something sweet for the winter. By the way, the habit of making winter preserves was passed down to me from my mom and grandma. Back in the day, you simply couldn't survive a winter in the village without them. It's not strictly necessary anymore, but the habit is deeply rooted in me. I also use these berries to bake a kefir pie, just like I did when I was a kid. It makes the dough incredibly light and fluffy. Into the oven it goes. By the way, this is the old oven left behind the previous owners. We hadn't replaced it yet. Honestly, in these shots, not much had been changed since we bought the place, because so little time had passed. But that's okay. I gathered up our dried herbal tea and stored it away for the winter. Then we brewed our very first pot of tea. And the pie is finally ready. Watching this footage now, I realize that we didn't have a lot of things back then, but we had the most important thing, love, and a huge desire to live this life together.
Барсик.